Dear students, now we are going to see about the fatty acids which are present in the oil substances, that is in the vegetable oil. So fatty acids are divided into two types based on its solubility and dissolving nature. Saturated fatty acid and unsaturated fatty acid. What is meant by saturated fatty acid? Fatty acids which possess continuous carbon chains molecules without any interlinked hydrogen bonds. So its breakdown mechanism is very easy. That kind of fatty acids are known as saturated fatty acids. And another type is known as unsaturated fatty acid. This type of fatty acid, it has a interlinked hydrogen bonds between the carbon atoms. So this unsaturated fatty acid is a complex fatty acid which is divided into two types, that are monounsaturated fatty acid. In abbreviated form it is called as MUFA, and another type is known as polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFA. The first type, which is known as monounsaturated fatty acid, in which the fatty acid will be in a liquid condition in a normal room temperature, but when the temperature gets low, it will get solidify. So example is coconut oil. Coconut oil during winter season, what will happen? It will get solidify, especially at the morning time, because of the lower temperature. So that coconut oil is the example for monounsaturated fatty acid. And another type is known as polyunsaturated fatty acid, in which the fatty acid, it will be in a liquid form in room temperature, and if the temperature gets changed, that is when the temperature is becoming lower, that is in chilled condition also, it will be in a same liquid state, it never gets solidified. That type of fatty acid is known as unsaturated fatty acid. Oil and soya bean oil are the example for polyunsaturated fatty acid. Gingerly oil and rice bran oil are the mixture of both monounsaturated fatty acid and polyunsaturated fatty acid.